Meaning of gelding.
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 Gelding. A gelding is a castrated male horse, meaning that their testicles have been surgically removed. This procedure is commonly performed to make horses more docile and easier to handle, as stallions can often be high-spirited and aggressive. Geldings are often preferred as riding or driving horses because they tend to be calmer, less distracted by mares, and more trainable. They also tend to have better overall health, as they are not subject to the hormonal fluctuations that stallions experience. Overall, geldings are a popular choice for many equestrians due to their even temperament and reliability.